Hello everyone, so I'm just trying to get you around a bit more, but I'm filming on my laptop and not my webcam, and I'm charging it from like all the way over down here, and my bed's a bit messy because I'm playing my keyboard and it needs 2 plugs, and there's 2 down there and there's 2 over there. So I might get my webcam. Hang on, I'm gonna have to stop you for a second. Hello. So I've got my webcam now. I didn't realise how badly out of focus it was, so hang on, this could take me years. I don't know if I'm making this better or worse right now. Oh my gosh, here! I got it. Sorry, oh wow, I look so cool. I mean, not like cool, but like, you know, cool in like a different kind of way. And not like a good kind of way. You know what I mean? Oh, you've gone again. Oh, wait, I'm coming back. I'm gone. Oh, okay, it's good. How's it gone? No. Do you think my hair looks really blonde? This is so boring. So I'm just like practicing my piano. I've just been like practicing for like days, but I'm actually on voice rest because singing too much without exercising my voice, obviously. And I kind of want to learn a song by Keen, Somewhere in the Reno as well. So I'm downloading that now. Is that, oh, I spelled it. Oh, I already had the song, but I just spelled it wrong when I typed it in. My face is a bit fuzzy to you. That doesn't matter. Yeah, this is a song. Hang on, is it? I really like this song. I can hear something under my bed. Give me 1 second. Whoa. Oh my god, there's a cat under my bed. No, please, who's doing this song? Come on. Oh, no. Oh, you're heavy. You've made yourself heavy. Hello. Oh, hello. Oh, baby. Oh, look at this baby. Oh, look at your paws. It's doing Gangnam Style. Oh, stop. I love you. I love you. He's my second. Oh, he's my new friend. He's my second favorite ginger, aren't you? Yes. You know who's my first? You know who's my first? Yes, you do, don't you? And look how much he loves me. Oh, he's coming. Oh, he's had something. What's going on? What's going on? What is it? Mwah. See you later, okay? Okay. His hair's everywhere. Fur, obviously, because they don't have. Oh, he's locked in. Okay. Oh, bye. See you later. Hi. Come here. I'm filming a vlog. This is my father. Take a seat. The camera's there because I'm charging this from under there, it should be, so it's kind of a bit of a stretch because I'm on my piano.
Are you actually recording this? Okay. Just come in to say hi. So it's this one, I keep looking at this one.
I know, me too, because you can see yourself there. It's that one, the one that looks like a little alien thing.
Right. How you doing? Should we talk about this another time anyway? Right. Anyway. Nice to see you. It's the weekend.
Yay! The weekend, and we're going to Chessington tomorrow, aren't we?
Yep.
Yep.
I'm gonna go and have a shower now.
Just gonna go and have a shower now.
I'll see you soon.
See you soon, too.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Need some water. That's my daddy! This is kind of awkward, but I'm really thirsty. Okay. Oh my god, time goes a lot faster when you're recording these things than when you're actually watching them. It's been like 5 minutes. I should probably cut this, but I wasn't going to, but I probably will have to, because I'm being so boring. Damn it. So yeah, tomorrow I'm going to Chessington with my mum, my dad and my sister, and I'll probably record some stuff there, but just on my phone, so it'll probably be like really bad filming because it's really blurry and stuff, and I can only upload it in one video, so it'll probably be like loads of different videos that are like 2 minutes long, and I'm probably like not gonna film with a vampire though because it's like G-force, and my phone will just die. But I need to get a new phone anyway, but I can't because I haven't got enough moolah. Ching. Look, I've got. Oh my god, where's my money? Oh. Alright, I only use that for keeping my notes. Got a 20, and another 20, and a 5. And I think I got some more in my purse as well. And £2 coins. I don't know why they're there at all. So yeah, now I'm counting my money, which is pretty funny. Yeah, oh my god, I think I just broke something. Yeah. Oh, water. Nom 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 nom. So if I could blur it out like it's a sponsor, because oh no, I got oops, sponsor. If I put it over there, see, it's blurred. Now you see it. Now you don't. Ah, magic. I actually just cut it. I'm sorry. I feel like a trapped in the vlog thing, but that's just copying. I'm such a copycat. So listen to this. I'm learning the dramatic song, and it's really difficult. I'm just gonna bring you over here. Oh god, this is gonna fail so badly. Yep, this is just my phone. I've got hair everywhere. I mean fur from my cat. Virgin. He's ginger too, but he's not as good ginger as some other gingers that I might possibly know. I need to get you a bit higher, but I don't think I can. So I tell you what. Oh no, I'm breaking stuff. Oh, this is falling. No, you've gone blurry. No. Go back. Go. Unblur. One thing. My piano's not working! Oh, for God's sake. Oh, this just happens sometimes. It's kind of irritating. You can't see my hands. Okay, so I'm playing the chords down here, but you can't see it, but oh well. So yeah, that will just go off in a second. So this is, yes. So this is just the dramatic song that I'm trying to learn, but it's really loud, so I probably shouldn't play it yet, but yeah, I'll just play it anyway. Oh, whoops. Uh-oh! What the heck? Oh, well, you get the idea. I'm trying my best. It's pretty hard, though. Oh, God, what happened? Okay, sorry, my laptop just went off and I don't know why. Okay, we're good. We are smoking. I should probably cut that bit out. That was kind of bad. So anyway, you get the idea. So that's just, I might try and learn that, and yeah, so I'm going to Chessington tomorrow, so I'll do some videos there, not that you care. Okay, so I'm going to blow you out now. Oh, no, don't fall. This is so hard. This is why I just usually film my laptop. First of all, I'm just going to finish off with cactus and blow you out. Au revoir! You're not blowing! Ah, blow. There we go. That was easy.